Hi and welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen me share this beautiful box that was sent to me from Sally Hansen. And I'm really excited to share with you guys the news that I am a Sally Hansen Sally Squad member. As part of the first campaign that I'm participating in, they sent me the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel 2-step gel-like manicure system. They included several colors for me to try out, as well as their shiny top coat and their brand new matte top coat, which I have already tried out and it is amazing. I really love the matte finish look. The way the Miracle Gel system works is you apply 2 coats of the first step, which is any color that you choose from their collection. And you finish off with step 2, which is their shiny top coat or their matte top coat. Let's take a closer look at all the colors they sent me. The first one is this beautiful black polish called Onyx-pected. Next, we have a deep red called Can't Beat Royalty. This gorgeous green shade is called Jealous Boyfriend. And the last one is a gorgeous red with a bit of shimmer in it. It's called Bordeaux Glow, and it looks amazing with a matte top coat. Any of those colors could be used as step 1. And for step 2, we have their shiny top coat, as well as their brand new matte top coat. I tested out the red called Bordeaux Glow and the green called Jealous Boyfriend, and they're both gorgeous shades. Now we're going to choose the top coat. On the red, I'll apply the matte, and over the green, I'll apply the shiny. For this one, I used the black polish called Onyx-pected. I applied a matte top coat, and then I did small dots using the red Bordeaux Glow. I think it looks really nice. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Sally Hansen for this wonderful package, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!